Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will find the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is the amount of space enclosed within its three sides. The area is the amount of space inside of these three sides. To find the area of a triangle, we need to know the base length and we need to know the height. One way to think of area is to picture a rectangle. We know that when we find the area of a rectangle, we take the length times the width. However, we only need to know the amount of space inside of the triangle. So we can take the height times the base length and divide that in half to get rid of this area, since we only want the area of the triangle. So we can write the formula for the area of a triangle is area equals base times height, and divide that in half to get rid of this area and this area, since we only need the area inside of the triangle. Let's find the area of this triangle. Remember, the formula is area equals base times height divided by 2. So we can write area equals the base length, which is 10 feet, times the height, which is 8 feet, divided by 2. We know that 10 times 8 is 80, divided by 2. Remember, we have to divide by 2 because we're getting rid of this and this. We only need the area inside of the triangle. And since we're taking the length times the width, we need to get rid of this area to only have the area of the triangle. That's why we're dividing by 2. We're taking half of this area, which is this. 80 divided by 2 is 40 feet squared. We can say the area of the triangle is 40 square feet. Let's find the area of this triangle. Area equals the base times the height divided by 2. Let's write area equals the base length, which is 6 inches, times the height, which is 12 inches, divided by 2. We can say that area equals 72, because 6 times 12 is 72, divided by 2. Remember, we're dividing by 2 because we only need half of this area, which would be 12 times 6 minus half, because we only want the area inside of the triangle, not the entire rectangle, which means area equals 36 inches squared. We can say the area of the triangle is 36 square inches. Let's find the area of this triangle. We can write area equals base times height divided by 2. We can write the base length is 30 centimeters times the height, which is 5 centimeters, divided by 2. We know that 30 times 5 is 150, divided by 2. We have to divide it in half or by 2 because we have the area of this entire rectangle, but we only need half, which is the triangle. So we need to get rid of this and this. That's why we're dividing it in half. 150 divided by 2 is 75, and we can say 75 centimeters squared. The area of the triangle is 75 square centimeters. Let's write the formula. Area equals base times height divided by 2. We can write area equals the base, which is 5, times the height, which is 11, divided by 2. We can write area equals 55 divided by 2. We have to divide by 2 because we only need half of the area, which is inside of the triangle, not the area of the entire rectangle. 55 divided by 2, 27.5 or 27.5 yards squared. We can say the area of the triangle is 27.5 square yards.